Hi, Smyrna Stars. This week we're going to continue in reading and writing, talking about realistic fiction. We're going to start a new book today that we'll be reading all week. So we're going to start by taking a sneak peek and getting ready to read. Our new book is called Iris and Walter and the Field Trip. So just taking a sneak peek and thinking about the title, looking at the picture, where do you think Iris and Walter might be going on their field trip? I have a guess as well. All right, let's take a sneak peek at the table of contents. Table of contents. Chapter 1, The Aquarium. Aha, if you thought they might be going to the aquarium, you're correct. Chapter 2, The Bus Ride. Chapter 3, Where's Walter? That chapter makes me think something happens to Walter. Chapter 4, The Rescue. Ooh, now I'm very curious about this book. Going back to the chart, I'm going to read chapter 1, and I want you to keep track of where and when we are in the story. All right, I'm going to begin with chapter 1 today. Remember to think about where the story is taking place. Chapter 1, The Aquarium. One day, Iris's teacher, Miss Cherry, had an exciting announcement. This Friday, we're going on a field trip to the aquarium. The aquarium, said Iris's best friend, Walter. Oh, boy. Are we going to see the sharks? Asked Benny. Are we going to see the penguins? Asked Iris. Are we going to see the starfish? Asked Jenny. We are all going to see many wonderful things, said Miss Cherry. That night, Walter had supper at Iris's house. Our class is going on a field trip, Rosie, said Iris. Up, said baby Rose. Where are you going? Asked Iris's father. We're going to the aquarium, said Iris. On the bus, said Walter. And we're going to see the penguins, Iris told Grandpa. I love penguins, said Grandpa. And after that, we're going to have a picnic in the park, said Walter. Oh my, I wish I were going on the field trip, said Iris's mother. Hey, Walter, do you want to be bus buddies? Iris asked. Sure, said Walter. All right, that is the end of chapter 1. I want you to think about the characters, the setting, and what has happened so far. Tomorrow we'll continue with chapter 2.